Hello bachcho, let's read the question. Which of the following reaction is not correct according to the law of conservation of mass? Option 1, 2 mgs plus O2 in gaseous state give 2 MgO solid state. Option 2, methane gaseous state plus O2 in gaseous state giving us carbon dioxide in gaseous state and water in gaseous state. Option 3, 4 FeS plus 3 O2 in gaseous state giving us 2 Fe2O3 as what is S and G solid state and gaseous state. The states of particular compound is given. Okay, then phosphorus in the solid states is reacting with oxygen in gaseous state giving us P4O10 in solid state. Okay, so the key concept of this question is हमें इस क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कि किस बेसिस पे हमें इसका आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. Okay, so the key concept of this question is law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. हमें इस बेसिस पे अपने क्वेश्चन को क्या करना है, सॉल्व करना है. Okay, now so what is law of conservation of mass? Law of conservation of mass state that sum of mass of reactant is equal to sum of mass of product. This is our law of conservation of mass. बेसिकली लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास कहता है जितना भी रिएक्टेंट का टोटल मास है, जो भी हमारे पास रिएक्टेंट में है उसका जो भी टोटल मास हमारे पास है, ओके, सो दैट मास विल बी इक्वल टू वॉट एवर द प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्म बाय दैट रिएक्टेंट. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट सर? दैट इज द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. जितना भी हमारे पास रिएक्टेंट है उससे जितना भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हो रहा है तो उसका मास भी रिएक्टेंट के मास के जितना सिमिलर रहेगा. सो प्रोसीडिंग विद दिस one by one check करेंगे if my compound is following the law of conservation of mass or not. So first equation giving is 2 magnesium plus O2 gaseous state is giving out us 2 MgO. Okay, this is my first equation. अब check कर लेंगे इसके आंसर को. Magnesium atomic mass is 24 ग्राम और क्योंकि हमारे पास दो एटम है सो 2 into 24 ग्राम. सिमिलरली ऑक्सीजन एटॉमिक मास is 16 और क्योंकि मेरे पास दो एटम है तो 16 into 2. अगेन 2 into magnesium is 24 and oxygen atomic mass is 16. So it comes out to be 48 gram, 32 gram and the final answer comes out to be 2 into 40, 80 gram. So the sum of reactant is 48 plus 32, that is equal to 80 gram, and the sum of mass of product is 80 gram. That means they are following the mass of reactant is equal to mass of product. They are following the law of chemical equation, law of conservation of mass. They are following the law of conservation of mass. Okay, let's proceed with the second equation. हमें बताना है कि कौन सी इक्वेशन फॉलो नहीं कर रही है लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास को. सो सेकंड इक्वेशन इज मीथेन CH4 in gaseous state plus oxygen again in gaseous form giving out us carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so let's find out, is it following the law of conservation of mass or not? So the atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus hydrogen 1 atomic mass into 4. Why? Because I am having the 4 atoms of oxygen. So oxygen O2 having the mass of 32 gram. One atom is 16 gram. So 2 atoms will be 32 gram. For the CO2 it will be 12 plus 32. 12 is carbon atom और O2 का mass कितना हो जाएगा? 32 हो जाएगा. It will be 32. And water mass is 2 into 1, that is atomic mass of water, plus 60. So it comes out to be 16 gram, 32 gram and here it will be 44 gram and 18 gram. Let's do the mass of reactant and mass of product. Sum of mass of reactant 16 plus 32, that is equal to 48 gram. And sum of masses of product is 44 gram 44 gram plus 18 gram. So it comes out to be 62 gram. So that means it is not following the law of conservation of mass, because the sum of reactant is not equal to the sum of product. Here it is equal, but here the sum of reactant is not equal to the sum of product. So this equation, second equation, is not following the law of conservation of mass. Let's check for rest two equation also. Third equation given is 4 FeS plus 3O2 giving us 2 Fe2O3. Okay. 56 gram. Atomic mass of iron is 56 gram into 4. Oxygen is 32 gram into 3 and 2 Fe. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 56 into 2 plus oxygen is 16 into 3. Okay. So the final it comes out to be 224 gram, 96 gram and 320 gram. When we'll add both the reactant, it comes out to be 320 gram. When I add the mass of Fe plus mass of O2, that is equal to 320 gram. That is equal to 320 gram. That means it is following the law of conservation of mass. Okay. So let's check for the last equation, that is fourth equation. P4 plus 5O2 is giving us P4O10 in solid state. So the answer comes out to be 31 into 4, 32 into 5, 31 into 4 plus 16 into 10. So this comes out to be 124 gram. (124 plus 160 gram). So the sum of reactant will comes out to be 124 plus 160. As you can see, they are coming out to be equal only. That is 224 gram is equal to 284 gram. 284 gram is equal to 284 gram. Again, this is the law of conservation of mass. So it is only second equation that is not following the law of conservation of mass. So our correct answer is second option. Hope you got the concept. Good luck.